Today we will talk about this gorgeous flowering plant, Mussaenda erythrophylla. We'll talk about this plant in detail, how to grow them, its water, sunlight requirements, and its propagation method. So stay tuned.
Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening.
Mussaenda is known by various other names like red flag-bush, tropical dogwood, or Ashanti blood. It's an evergreen West African shrub and it comes in various colors like red color flowers, white colors, pink color, as well as in yellow colors. And I have these two varieties of red color and pink color. You might have seen this plant in parks and various other places in different colors, as it's a easy to grow plant and it looks stunning when blooms profusely. And you can easily grow this plant in pots and containers as well. Just remember to water your plant every day, as the plant loves lots and lots of moisture in soil. So as you can see, I have this plant in pot as well as in garden, and the size of the plants are almost same. Now let's talk about the trick to get flowers in this plant. The plant blooms from spring to fall and goes to dormancy during winters. It's not a heavy feeder if you don't fertilize it frequently, even though it will flower if it meets two necessary things, which are sunlight and water. As I said earlier, this plant loves lots of water, so make sure you keep the soil hydrated always. And the second thing is the plant loves full sunlight for flowering. If you grow this plant in partial shade, it will only produce foliage, that is leaves, but it will not produce flowers. For flowering, it needs at least 3 to 4 hours of sunlight. The flowers look so delicate with velvety texture, be it pink flower, red one, white or yellow variety. It's a fast growing bush and it can grow up to 6 to 12 feet, and it's a very low maintenance plant. If we talk about how to grow them, it can be easily grown from its stem cutting. Just take semi-wood cutting with at least 3 to 4 nodes in it, and then insert the cutting into soil and keep the plant in partial shade for few days. Keep the soil moist and within few days you will see the growth in it. So that's all for today guys. Do grow this gorgeous flowering plant in your garden, and I will come up soon with one more interesting video. See you.